Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how to use your dynamic select mode in your 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the center console. And once you get to the center console, all you have to do is press dynamic select on the left hand side of the hazard. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And it's gonna pop up on both right here on the center screen and your speedometer. So let me go do that again so I can show you what it looks like. So by default, the vehicle will start at comfort, of course. So comfort is basically your normal everyday driving. This gives you the best gas mileage and giving you the best efficiency for your vehicle, but it won't be as responsive as it is in sport mode. So we're gonna click on sport mode right now. So for this one, it tightens up the response for the engine, so it's gonna give you the best performance, and the steering wheel will get a little bit more sportier as well. And then for the next mode, you have your individual mode, so you could adjust the comfort, sport, to the traction control and the AC as well. So as you can see, so once you're in throttle with the vehicle, for example on sport mode, the AC will lower so you could get the most performance out of the engine. And last but not least, eco mode, of course. This tones down everything for the vehicle, so this definitely gives you more of a mileage in terms of driving the car compared to comfort mode. So this is the most like relaxing, just cruising down the speed limit and making sure you get the most out of your vehicle when it comes to gas mileage. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura. Thank you guys for watching.